Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your pages. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to edit the home page to show you how to edit this information here. And then we're going to go through and show you how to edit the contact page. Okay, so the services page isn't a page that we edit because that is linked to the shop. So now how I showed you how to add the products and that's how you would edit them here. There is no way of just editing this page. Okay, so let's go to the front page. Okay, so now there's multiple ways that we can access the page builder for the front page. Once you log in, you'll be in the dashboard. You'll hover over pages, go to new, all pages, sorry. So now we want to go to the home page. Now, as you can see here, we've got it, there's the title, and it's marked the front page because we've set it up and told WordPress that that is the dedicated front page, no matter what happens, and WordPress won't change that. So, and we've built with Elementor. We build all our websites with Elementor. So we've got an option, same as the products, edit, quick edit, trash, view, duplicate, edit with Elementor. So what I'm going to do is we can edit with the Elementor straight now, or what we can do is we can click edit. So that's what we'll do here. Okay, let it load, because now you see we've still got our SEO, so we still have got to have that in there. There's our short description. Now, because it's the front page, it won't actually show us the slug. Because this one, the slug is your domain name at the top here. So you can't have your domain name plus a different slug, which is your link, remember? So that's why this one doesn't have a slug, because we've told WordPress that this is the front page. Okay, so you got to make sure that that's all correct. Okay, now to edit the builder, we could go edit with Elementor here, or on the front end, which is where you view your website. What you can do is you can click edit with Elementor there, which is the preferred way I like to do it. However, you can click there, but when you click there, it takes you away from the dashboard. It loads up this section here. Okay, so with this section here, this is where the fun starts, because now you can start moving things around and designing the site the way that you like to do it. So we've got a row at the top here, and as you see, everything is hovering. So there's a column, there's a row. If we scroll down, there's items here that you can just select and click on. Okay, so what we do is this is the row here. Okay, as you can see, these are on the left hand side is the content of that row. So we could make it boxed, and as you can see, it changes. We can make it do whatever we want, you see. Okay, so for style purposes, we left it full width. Now, this is what we call a slider. So a slider widget. So what we do is we right click and we go edit slides, and then there it is there. So you click on that, there's your image there. There's your overlay, and here is your content. So we can go testing. And as you can see, there it is there. Okay, let's just undo what I did there. Testing. Content, there we go here. There, your place away from home. See, you just sit there, view our services, and then our services we've linked to the shop page, which is if you click on our services. So what we did was we copied that link there and we simply pasted it in there. And then we've made it that it's the whole slide. So now if I move over this slide here, let me just go to the front page and I'll show you what I mean. So we made it the whole slide. So if I click anywhere on the slide, it actually takes me to the services, where what we could do is we can make it that it only clicks on the button. However, depending on the device that they're using, I like to make it the full slide, because if they're on a small little screen on their phone or a small little tablet, then sometimes it's nicer just to let them be able to click on the image. All right. So we're going to scroll down here, and as you can see here, we've got welcome to. If we click on welcome to, here is welcome to the site, ... As you can see, you just type in and it appears. If you wanted to change that, for example, you click on style, and as you can see there, we can change to all the colors. As I'm moving it around, you can see where it says welcome to is changing. If we wanted to make it different color, see, just like that. Okay, so that's how. I'm not going to save any of the changes, so we will refresh the page and nothing will change to your site. This is just for tutorial So if we want to go to the title here, again, it's the same title as you can see, just we've got different font there, just 2 different fonts and the sizing. So we'll click on style, there it is there, typography, make it whatever you want. There is the different fonts that you got, there you go. Alright, so as you can see, you can play around with it and really customize it the way that you want to do it. Put your weight there, we can make the weight 300, we can make the 100. Okay, so you can really just play around with it. And then what is a massage? Then here's this is just a simple text box. As you can see, you can move this bigger if you want. As you can see, it looks very similar to Word. Just like that. Clicking in. Again, you click style. You can move it around if you want here. There's your change of font. On this one here is a little bit different. This one you can actually add an image on. So let's just put calendar and we go insert. There it is, calendar. The viewing of it will go stacked. See, like that. Shape is circle. Icon position, we can go on top like this or on the right. So you can really, you could find something that will liaise, that will represent your business out of all of these functions here. So we can go bed, just an idea. It's just, see, it doesn't really have it. Oh, because I typed it in wrong, apologies. Bed, and just go bed like that for a massage, and there you go there. So if you don't want that, you just click that little button in the corner. There we go. Scrolling down, as you can see, it's exactly the same there. The nice thing about Elementor is that all the functions are basically the same. So once you start playing around with this site, with this page, you'll start seeing that it's actually very similar to every other page you can build with Elementor. Just your widgets will change. So again, here it is here. There's a title. Why choose us? Again, it's a title. You can do that. You can do what you want. Here's an image here. Again, you just click on it. And we'll just choose this. Let's choose the light bulb, for example. And you'll see the light bulb changes just like that. There's another title. There's another widget box. The buttons are quite nice. So here's a button. So you can go our services. You can go info, warning. Just a different style of button that you can do out there. The size is extra large. This icon spacing, if you want an icon, which you'll have to enable. We haven't enabled that, but you're more than welcome. You click enabled, then it will take you to the page. You click save, and then it will revert you back here. I don't want to do that now because we've got unsaved changes, and it will force me to change the site. It will force me to save the site before leaving. So that's how you do that. And then again, you go to style, color, we'll make white, writing, let's make red. We'll go hover over, that we just go blue. So as you can see now, there you go, there we go. So you can see here, and we can go animation, pulse shrink, there we go. So every time they hover over, that will happen. Again, popular treatments, it's a heading. I like the headings because Google crawlers attach onto them very quickly and easily. If you come down to this one here, you'll see these are different columns. 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column. If we click on it, let's say we do this here, it's just an image. There is just a text editor again. There is another title. And the way we got this function to hover like that, if you click on the column, go to style, background, border. There's your border there. If we're to make that, let's say 100, you'll see there you go, the style has changed there. Because that is our radius. So that if we're to go the bottom, let's say we do the bottom 500. And we do the left 500. See there, look. Okay, so that's how you change that. Okay, so there is the normal color there. So let's make the normal color blue. We go hover over there, we go there. Now this one's got a gradient. So if we change the gradient, can you see now? So it's a sharp line compared to the others. Angle, there you go there. Okay. So that's how you would change this section here. So you could have different ones for each one. It's entirely up to you. If you scroll down a bit here, again, it's another row with a heading, which is, so it's exactly the same. There's an image, there's a text editor there with a button, and then that is your front page. So as you can see, it's quite nice. I'm actually going to reload the page so we don't lose any of the settings. There we go. So if we scroll down, everything is back to normal now. There's the image, as you can see, this section here. And that is how you edit your front page. That's how you edit your front page. What I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you how to edit your contact page. So I'm going to close this. Then what we're going to do is, this is the front end of your website, and we're going to click Contact Us. So now, edit with Elementor. I'm going to go right click and open in a new tab. Now as you can see, we'll open up in Elementor. There we are here. And then you just click on the form. Edit, right click, edit form, and there is your form here. Let's say we want to add a map. So let's go Maps here, Google Maps. Let's add a map underneath here. And what we'll do is, you are located in South Coast Mall, Shady Beach. And there we are. There's your location there. You can change the zoom to whatever you want it to be, like that, and then the height, maybe make it like that. And there you go, you've got a map, just like that. If you want to change these here, again, it's an icon box. There's your number there. What we've done is with yours is that there's your number there, and then if they click on it, that it's actually a link. So for example, if you come and change the number here, let's say you get a new number, what you have to do is down here, you've got to change the number there. So you leave the +27 and you just drop the 0 of the new number and put it in. If you hover over, there is your times there. Again, it's a text editor. There is your email there. There is your address right there. Okay. That is how you edit your contact page. So to go back from it, you'll just click those widgets there and go exit to dashboard. We don't want to put the map there, so we're going to go leave. And there we are. Now we're at the dashboard area. Okay. That is how you'd edit your pages with Elementor and add a product. If you do have any issues or I'm not sure of what to do, then please just pop me an email or pop me a phone call. I'm more than happy to assist.